These are the elevators at the Village Hotel in Asheville, North Carolina. There's a map right there. We're gonna ride this elevator. Otis series, Otis Vanity style buttons. It's going up. Let's get a cab view. Newer Otis Series 4 Vanity. Let's go up to 4. On 4.
Going down.
Go down to 1. There's your ADA phone and your buttons.
First floor. Going up.
Installed in 2015. Let's go to 4. Pretty fast.
Going down.
I mean, I'm typically bored of seeing these because I'm from the Orlando area where they're like everywhere, but these are nice with those vanity style buttons. I've never seen those before. Or at least maybe once, but not often. Your controller's right here. This is a Gen2. See your call button. Can hear the controller.
Going down. First floor. Going up. Fourth floor. Going down.
Wow. Sitting area. There's your indicator.
Going down. First floor. Going up.
How are y'all guys?
Good. Hi.
Wonderful, thank you.
And there they go. That's gonna be it.